So this Arduino function reads an analog input on the pin 0 and then prints out the result on the serial monitor. So as you can see here, the value of the numbers corresponds to the value of the potentiometer. So as I increase the value printed also increases, and as I decrease the value, then the value in the printed value also decreases. So blink is an Arduino function that turns an LED off and on again depending on the delay you have set. So as you can see here, the LED is turning on for a second, then turning off again for another second. This is the program of the digital read series, and it reads a digital input on pin 2. As you can see, its results are 0 or when you press the push button, it becomes 1 or high state. So it just depends on if you press it or not. Fading. This Arduino function, the practice shows fading of the LED. As you can see, it fades in slowly and fades out slowly as well. And this is with the use of the analog function to fade the LED. Thank you.
Here we have the program for the read analog voltage. In this program, we are going to read the voltage of the said potentiometer. As you can see here in the code, if you turn the knob of the potentiometer to the right, to the left, it will decrease. However, if you put it in the other direction, it will increase.
So this Arduino function is just like the blink, but it does not use the delay function in the program.
As you can see, there is no delay function in the program. And for the demonstration, it is totally like the delay.
The blink, I'm sorry. But without the
delay program
in the
function
program.
in this program.
This Arduino program sets that the push button, once pressed, will turn on the LED and once released will turn it off. Demonstration.
This Arduino program sets that each time the input pin goes from low to high, the output pin is toggled from low to high or high to low. There's a minimum delay between toggles to the balance of circuit. Demonstration. As you can see, as I pressed the push button, the LED went from high to low, or from the state on to off. And when I press it again, it's from off to on, or from low to high. As you can see in this program, this is a digital input pull-up, and it demonstrates the use of pin mode function. It reads a digital input on pin 2. So here's the pin 2, the green wire connected to the push button, or also known as a momentary switch, which is attached from pin 2 to ground. Also used is the LED on pin 13. Unlike pin mode function, there's no pull-up resistor necessary. An internal 20k ohm resistor is pulled to 5 volts. And this is the demonstration. So this is a serial monitor. As I press the push button, it changes the state. It goes from 1 to 0 or 0 to 1. So when I press it, it goes high, and when I release it, it goes low. Demonstration.
So this Arduino function
shows how to detect when a button changes from off to on and on to off.
Demonstration. Number of button pushes: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
So, as you can see, this program or monitor also shows us when the LED turns on and its number of pushes and the number of pushes needed to turn it on. So this Arduino function plays a melody according to the notes that we set in the program. So as you can see, note C4, note G flat, note G3, note A3, note G3, note B3, and note C4. And this is a demonstration.
This Arduino function plays multiple tones on multiple pins in a sequence. Demonstration. Reset.
So this Arduino function plays a pitch that changes based on a changing analog input. So the analog input in our system is the photoresistor. So it reads the amount of light, and the brighter the light is, the higher the pitch. So demonstration. As you can see, in the serial monitor, it reads the resistance of the photoresistor and the amount of light it receives. And thus, the buzzer is manipulated.